Are you a small YouTuber who wants to get more views in your channel, but if the YouTube algorithm doesn't suggest you to your target audience and features your videos, it's a waste of time. You can upload consistently and create quality videos as much as you want, but it is kind of pointless if no one stumbles upon them to give a chance. But why views are important? When you browse YouTube and look for something good to watch, what types of videos would you choose? Bet you are probably going to pick the video based on its view count. In general, view counts are the sorting hats for YouTube videos. Nevertheless, it's not easy at all to get to the top. If you get free views, it is about time your organic traffic rates and views start to rise. People will give them a try as they think they are worth watching. If your content is high quality, they might subscribe to your channel as well. A lot of birds with just one stone. You can build your empire and have a devoted audience of millions, as this is a number that can't be underestimated. Suppose you're interested in digital marketing or trying to build your image as an aspiring social media influencer. In that case, YouTube is one of the best platforms. However, is it really a good idea to hop onto the train without planning and hope for your viewers to discover your content on their own? Actually, this is something quite unrealistic and illogical. People put years in their craft and many sleepless nights. In that case, you have to close the gap by getting some external help that will give you a quick boost, because even if you put your heart into your craft and do everything the right way, success is not guaranteed. When the algorithm realizes that your videos gain views from all over the world, its perception of you will change instantly. Your videos will start getting featured on important pages, and it will be suggested aside from other content. In that way, you can start building yourself a devoted audience that will support you through the good and the bad. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Yo guys, welcome to the club. So let's open our browser and open growviews.com. This is how the website looks like, and it has currently more than 450,000 users all over the world. Now let's scroll down and check below, and you can check out the features they offer, like get more views, more subscribers, brand positioning and SEO improving. If you want to check all the features, you can click view all features. So this is how it works. You have to log in with your YouTube account and you have to watch other people's YouTube videos. And for every YouTube video you watch, you'll get credits, and you can exchange your credits for views. You can also go for their premium plans, in which they give you views without you watching other people's videos, and your credit will get automatically recharged. If you want to check out their plans, you can click on the pricing tab and check out the services they offer. The first is the free plan, in which you exchange views and subscribers. This is the plan which you will have access to when you create your account. On the other hand, we have the regular plan, which costs just €2 per day. The validity period is 1 day, and you get 5 times more credits than the free plan. For example, you are getting 1 credit for 1 single video you've watched in the free plan. But here you'll have 5 times more credits for the same video. So are you understanding the difference? They are even giving discounts to every purchase after you have made your first purchase. Then they have the extended plan and the premium plan, which offers the same but little bit higher than the previous plans. And if you have an agency, you can get a lot of views using this website, but this is paid. I would recommend you to use this because it's not that much costly, so you can avail this and grow your channel. So you can get 2.5k views for €9, and your request will be processed within 24 hours. You just have to paste your video link, and there you go. You'll get 2,500 real views within next 24 hours. If you want to know how this works, you can check out the blog and start reading all these stuff. So now let's get into the main part of the video. Create an account if you have one or just log in. This is the growviews and you can see I already have more than 250 credits. When you sign up, you'll get 50 credits instantly. Later on you can earn more credits or buy it and you'll get a 50 credit bonus for every 200 videos you watch. You can check out my videos. I have no views left for my videos. You can see the video is enabled for growing. So now I'm going to watch some videos, earn credits and exchange it for views. Just click Run the Player. It will automatically starts playing YouTube videos. I recommend you to turn off the audio and adjust the video to lower quality so that it can run in the background and you can carry on with your work. Right now my credits are getting increased, so I'm going to add views for my YouTube video. Just click on the Add Views icon here. Make sure you're adding views to good performing videos so that when its views getting increased it will be suggested to other people. Here you can see the minimum duration should be watched for a video should be at least 30% of its original length. If you want you add all of your credits for a single video or you can split it up. As you can see I started using this tool 3 days before and it has given me 9, 40, 22 so totally I got 71 views in the past 2 days. Now this is not that much high, but keep in mind, early success is a scam, great things take time. If you want you can also change the watching duration, but you can't make them watch the full video because it's only available in premium, so I'm gonna leave as it is and adding 138 views to my channel. So now it has been added and you'll get these views within 1 day. So if you wanna learn more interesting things like this, subscribe my channel for more so I'll check my dashboard. I have used all the credits but it gets increasing because I'm watching the videos. So next, how you can add your video here. Number 1, go to your channel, copy the video link you want and here click on Add New Video. Simply paste the link and your video will be automatically added. Check out this thing, someone has watched our video, and we have 137 views remaining. You can check their membership program. If you are interested you can purchase them or apply a coupon code and here's their referral program that if someone registers in this platform with your referral link you'll get a small percentage of their credits. You can even send your credits to someone else, but the conditions is the person must be a growviews user. Here we are at the end of our video. I hope you liked my video and please give this video a like if you find any of this content useful and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.